First, find your way to weavingalife.com. You'll see a big red button to download the Bookloom pages for free. The button takes you to the Bookloom on our Cells store. We've made it free for all of us stuck at home. Click Get It Now. Add your first name, last name, and email, and click Continue for your instant download. Back to Weaving a Life. When you've woven something and want to post pics, we've set up a worldwide map. I'll show you how it's done. It's easy. Type in your address and search. A box with a pin will show. Click Add to Map. Click the camera to upload an image. Choose a picture from your device. You'll see it uploading, and there it will be. Add a story about your photo and your weaving. Choose Save, and it will be there for all to see. Zoom out to see other posts. Let's weave some friendship right around the world.